Today's Money Sense is sponsored by Capital Credit Union.
Just as scholastic skills are vitally important, so are financial skills. That is a quote from famous financial guru Robert Kiyosaki. Now, the truth is, even when we get good at making money, unless we know what to do with that money, we're leaving things up to chance and hope. So teaching kids about money early will give them skills they'll use for the rest of their lives. Teaching them prioritization and budgets shines light on value. The earlier kids understand what it takes to earn money, save it, to grow it, the better off they'll be as grown-ups. So come up with a plan for the kids. And when you need a hand pointing them in the right direction, connect with one of our Money Sense pros.
It's never too early to start learning healthy financial habits. With Capital Credit Union's newest tool, Greenlight, your kids can experience hands-on learning with you there to guide them. Get started at capitalcu.com.